Good deal, my brother. Go ahead and take it away. There you go. Good deal. Good deal.
All right, what's going on, family? Hope everybody's having a phenomenal day, right? It's your boy, you know what I'm saying, your creator's favorite creative, your designer's favorite designer, Mr. Trey Perry, live and direct from Houston, Texas. And today I have the distinct pleasure in opening up this call, right? You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Ms. B Wealthy, right? Your servitude is very much appreciated, family. Understand, right? We finna get into some HFX and Forex trades, right? Drop a 3 in the chat if you're ready to catch a Forex back. I need to know, you know what I'm saying, who's ready to catch not only the HFX, but a Forex back, right? Drop a 3 in the chat if you're ready to catch a Forex back, right? Because understand, right, these individuals don't have to do this, right? But they understood the assignment, right? They understood that not only can we trade, we can also build and trade at the same time, right? So without further ado, right, I'm not going to, you know what I'm saying, talk y'all's heads off because we have 2 juggernauts on this call that's about to get us paid, right? Shout out to Mr. Gustavo Alanis, Mr. Chairman 100 Loading, right? We greatly appreciate you, sir, for everything that you've done for this company, for this team, right? We appreciate you so much. Miss B Wealthy, you already know, you know what I'm saying? So right now, I'm about to step out the way of greatness, right? And I'm going to let y'all go crazy and take over, right? So Miss B Wealthy, I appreciate you, right? P5 loading. Everybody drop a P5 in the chat, right? Everybody drop a P5 in the chat. It's well overdue. You know what I'm saying? B, I appreciate you for everything that you've done, right? So without further ado, Miss B Wealthy, please take the stage. The floor is yours. Let's get it.
Sheesh! Let's get it. Let's get it. Let me go ahead and turn my camera on. Family, make sure you guys can see and hear me. As you can see, I got my Wealthy Everything shirt on. Right, Wealthy Everything shirt, guys. Drop a WE in the chat, right? Drop a WE. I got some things dropping here, but guys, drop a WE in the chat, right? Because we're repping the game today. We repping the game today. I got more people coming in. Keep sharing the link. Let's get this call to 100 family. More people are coming in. Keep sharing the link, right, guys? Right. But before we get this call started, I want you guys to really have the mindset. Let me go ahead and pin myself. I'm sorry, I'm not spotlighted. Let me go ahead and spotlight. All right, and Trey, I'm going to pass it back to you. I got people still coming in the waiting room, which is amazing. Keep sharing the link, family. Let's get this call to 100. Keep sharing the link. We got about 15 spots left, right? So, family, before we get this call started, guys, I want you guys to come to this call with an open mind, right? A lot of you guys hop on the sessions, HFX trading sessions, day in and day out. You're killing the markets. You're going crazy with the withdrawals, right? The testimonials are amazing, right, guys? But I want you to open your mind on this call. On this call, I want you to really understand that there's more ways in I Am Mastery Academy to catch a bag than just money in minutes, right? We know money in minutes is kind of the most simplest way, right, guys? But I want to just clearly say that in 2022, B Wealthy is tapping into her MT4 bag, right? And I'm going to be setting by example, family. I'm going to be making sure that we have the resources necessary on these calls so that we can be successful, right? The individual I'm about to bring up, guys, is each and every one of our mentor on this call. Whether he has impacted you directly, whether he has mentored you directly or indirectly, understand this is our mentor on this call. This is an individual who has been able to hit a Chairman 50 rank, right? C100 is literally already done for you, coach. Right? You already know you have some hitters in your corner and we're riding for you, coach. And we're going to make sure C100 is taken care of in 2022, if not C250, right? This is an individual who has really proven himself on the charts, right? If you don't know, guys, he was a Go Live educator. I don't think a lot of you guys know that. We almost, at 100, we at 90 right now. Keep sharing the link. We're at 91. Keep sharing the link. But this is an individual who was a Go Live educator. Right, guys, we just did a call last week before last with Millie Mills, right, guys, Go Live Educator HFX. Now, this individual, right, specializes in Forex, right? We're talking catching hundreds of pips on a daily basis, right? Catching hundreds of pips on a daily basis, right? So before we even bring him up, family, right, I want to go ahead and start the call with prayer. We've been doing this, guys, consistently every day. So if you're not driving, I see Henrietta is driving. But if you're not driving, I want everyone to bow their heads and close their eyes, right? Dear Heavenly Father, we want to thank you for bringing us together once again. Thank you, God, for allowing us to impact the masses. Thank you, Jesus, for what you're doing on this call today. I know that this call is going to create breakthroughs on a financial level for so many people. God, I want to thank you for Gustavo Alanis coming on this call, showing us the sauce, giving us the right way to really invest in the traditional Forex market. God, I pray that everyone on this call has a 6-figure trading account by the end of 2022. Dear Heavenly Father, I thank you for what you're doing. Thank you for what you're getting ready to do. In your mighty name we pray. Amen. Let's go ahead and drop an amen in the chat, family. Right? You know, we've been doing this prayer every day, right? We've been doing this every day now, guys. And this is something that we're going to adopt. We're not going to change. But listen, family, before I bring him up, I want to just mention, right? We're looking at the risk to reward with traditional HFX, right? I see the amens in the chat, right? Now, guys, think about this from a money in minutes standpoint. I want you guys to follow me. If you were to put $50 on a line for a 3-minute trade, just follow me, HFX traders. I need you to follow me. If you were to put $50 on the line for a 3-minute trade, okay, the most you can probably gain is a little bit over, 100, right? Maybe $85. Let's just keep it real at an 85% payout. Family, we're introducing something to you where you can literally risk 50 to gain 500, right? You can literally risk $10 to gain 100, right? So I need you guys to have an open mind. I need you guys to have a notepad out, because when this individual speaks, he speaks value. He speaks volume, right? Rosanna said, let's get it, right? So without further ado, right, guys, I want to get a C100 in the chat. Drop a C100 in the chat, right? Drop a C100 in the chat. Coach, I appreciate you. Thank you, Coach, for doing this call for the team, right? I know the team is excited. We're almost at 100. I know everyone's excited about this call, right? I've been getting so many messages in the last week. When's the call? When's the call? Right, guys, it's finally here, right? Keep dropping the C100s till he tells you to stop. I would like to bring up our mentor, my coach, Gustavo Alanis. Take it away, Coach. Go ahead and unmute him, Trey, if we can. Let's go ahead and unmute Gustavo if we can. Give me 1 second, fam. I'm going to take the host back just to unmute. All right, let me know which one to unmute, Coach. I see you up here under Wealthy Everything. Let me see. Keep dropping the C100s, family, right? Keep dropping the C100s, family, right? There you go, Coach. Take it away.
Yo, what's going on? What's going on? We got almost 100 on the call. Hold on real quick, because we're about to turn up the heat in the office right now. So I'm gonna turn on the AC. But can y'all drop some C100s in the chat for my sis Be Wealthy? Because I'm not the only Chairman 100, right? My sis Be Wealthy is a Chairwoman 100 as well. So I need y'all to go crazy in the chats. Drop the C100s for my sister, Queen herself of Miss HFX, Miss Be Wealthy, man. But look, man, I'm blessed and grateful. B, if you want to record this call real quick, click the record button. Click the record button. Oh, I got host. Hold on. Yeah, click record for me, B. Click record for me.
I think we good, Coach. It is currently recording right now. Yep, we're good.
All right. So, family, what's going on? What's going on, man? I'm blessed and grateful to be here. Blessed and grateful to be alive. Another day, another Zoom, right? And another day to just go out there and go get what you are worth, right? And for you guys that are on here today, whether you're brand new or whether you're, been in the business for quite some time, right? My name is Gustavo Alanis, right? I'm Chairman 50 here within the organization. I've been a part of this whole company for 5 years now. I literally just hit my 5-year mark a few days ago on the 17th. And when I tell you you are at the right place at the right time with the right people, I really mean that, right? And the reason why I say that is because not only have I been able to learn the skill set and make money and see success, but I've been able to really transform my whole entire life. Being able to go from negative to positive, being able to do things that I've never done, meet people I've never met, go places that I've never gone to, right? But the main important thing is being able to share the information that I know with the masses, people around the world, and each and every single one of you that are on the call today, right? So I want you guys to really understand, this skill set of what we talk about, trading, HFX, FRX, crypto, it's a big deal. It's a reason why, you're a part of it. It's a reason why it's always being talked about each and every single day, right? And the reason why is because we are in a time right now, in an era, right? We are in a society where a lot of people are focused on most people are focused on fitting in rather than standing out. Now, this is the thing. We can go fit in and work a regular job. We can go fit in and go to the streets. We could go do all these things. But what is going to help you and make you stand out? Well, we look at, the fact that we have a $7 trillion a day market. We have $1 trillion market within crypto. We have so many different avenues, different markets that we tap into. Now, we talk about stocks, not much know about stocks, right? But how can you stand out from all these different types of markets, industries that we're in? Now, you can, like I said, be the person that's going to fit in and just play your part or just take the information. But standing out is you getting on these sessions, on Be Wealthy sessions, on Go Live, on my Wednesday night calls, and not only grabbing the information, but actually implementing that information. See, what I teach you is more important than what I know. That's gonna go over your heads. What I teach you is way more important than what I know personally. Because what I know is what I know, but still knowing what I know, I still don't know what I don't know. And knowing what I know, if I can share and duplicate it and teach it to other people that don't know, I know for a fact you're going to be able to get, I'm not going to say the same exact result like I have, but you'll maybe get a similar result. Now, I want you guys to pay close attention, right? I'm going to pull up my charts, right? Today, this is a trading call, right? Meaning I'm going to go over the charts, right? I'm not talking about anything but the charts, right? And when we talk about Forex, right, I want you guys to really understand we're participating in a very, 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 very volatile market, right? Very volatile market. And some of you guys are brand new to the whole FRX space, right? The whole Forex space. If you can give me a host, B, so I can share my screen, I'd highly appreciate it. If you could give me host. All right, let's get it. So, like I said, with this market that we trade in, right, the Forex market, it's one of the most volatile markets in the world, right? If not the most volatile. Now, the goal at the end of the day, right, is to learn the skill set, know what you're doing, know how to read the chart, know how to get in a trade, know how to exit a trade. Now, I want you to understand this, and I want you to pay close attention to my screen, right? Because I'm going to do some very, very basic stuff to make sure each and every single one of you guys are trading within the FRX market, right? So check this out. I'm about to show y'all real quick. You look all the way to the right side, and what I'm on right now, right, is TradingView. TradingView is kind of like Microsoft Paint, right? This is where I go to draw my charts, right? Mark it up from beginning to end, right? Everything that I want to do on a chart, I go to TradingView, right? TradingView is completely free. So if you go to TradingView, you can make an account, it's free, right? Now here on the right side, I have a list of all the currency pairs from all over the world, right? I happen to have the Australian dollar, the US dollar, the euro, right? I even got cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, also gold, right? XAU USD, Great British Pound. Now, this is the thing. People ask all the time, well, if I'm trading Forex, right, what exactly can I do to really make it more simple rather than hard? Well, look, I'm gonna break it down like this, right? And for y'all that are co-host or B, Jaden, my brother, how you doing, my brother? I'm gonna make you, can I make you co-host so you can add people to the waiting room, all right? Make sure y'all just add everybody from the waiting room. But look, like I was saying, guys, when it comes to trading, right, you could trade everything and anything, but how can you dumb this down and make it more simple for yourself? Well, today we're going to come up with a plan, right, that's really going to make things a lot more easier, right? And number one, right, I call this the 3 keys. Hold on. I call this the 3 keys. 3 keys to a successful trader. And I want you to write it down. 3 keys to a successful trader. Write it down. 3 keys to a successful trader. These 3 keys is the keys you have to find out. All right? You have to find out. Number 1, what is the first key? What type of trader are you? All right? Are you a scalper? Are you a day trader? Or are you a swing trader? Right? Number 1, what type of trader are you? Scalper, day trader, swing trader. I'm going to break down exactly which one is. What is a scalper? A scalper is somebody that gets in and out of the market. In and out. You're looking for minimal pips, maybe 5, 10, maybe 20 pips. A person that's scalping the market is not, quote unquote, sitting in a trade for a few minutes, for a few hours. Right? Kind of like HFX, exactly. Kind of like HFX. Day trader is somebody that holds a trade for the day or a minimal amount of hours, whether it's 4 hours, 6 hours, right? I'm sure you guys have been in a trade for a few hours, right? That's day trading. And then last but not least, my favorite, the style that I choose every single day is swing trader. Now, this is the thing. How do you identify whether you're a scalper, a day trader, or a swing trader? Well, I'll tell you this. It comes down to your patience level. How patient are you as a trader, ladies and gentlemen? How patient are you as a trader? Because as a scalper moves into a day trader and a day trader moves into a swing trader, I'm here to tell you, and I speak from experience, it took some time to even be a swing trader. I remember getting in and out the market, getting my pips in and out. Now I'm sitting in trades for a day, 2 days, 3 days, maybe 5, maybe even a week. But the way you get to that point is finding out your patience. What is your patience level? Right? Number 2, what time are you trading? What time in session are you trading? A lot of y'all probably don't even know. There's certain sessions we trade in the market. In the morning, we trade New York session. At nighttime, we trade London session. Now you have your Australian session and Tokyo session during the day, right? Don't get me wrong. But the 2 main sessions, right? And I'm going to write them down here, right? New York session, right? New York session, which is in the morning. If you're a morning person, right? New York session is your session. And then you have London session. I'm gonna do this right here, 3 a.m. Eastern time, and New York session is like 8 a.m. Eastern. Are y'all with me right now? Y'all with me right now? All right, I see you, Jaden. I see you locked in, bro. All right. Make sure y'all take notes. This call is being recorded as well, all right? So figure out what type of person are you. Look, a lot of y'all don't even know. Trading pertains to a lot of things that you do with life each and every single day. So let's find out. Are you a morning person or are you a night person? Because either way, guess what? You can get to the bag. You can get la funda either way. So if you're a morning person, I recommend for you to trade New York session, trade in the morning. If you're a night person, a night owl like myself, I recommend to trade London session. I'm gonna be honest, that is my session to trade, London session. You know, if you follow my Telegram, if you follow my trades, right? I send out trades late at night. While you know, half of the world is sleeping on their dreams, I'm sending out trades. The markets are moving, believe it or not, 90% of the market's volume, most of the volume comes from London session. Right? I'm going to share my Telegram here at the end of the call, right? But I want y'all to focus right now. Focus with me. Number three, let's move on. Number 3. What is number 3? Number three. This is the most important. Risk what you have. Risk what you have, not what you don't have. proper risk management. There's so many people that call themselves a trader and they say they trade, but they don't talk about risk management. They don't talk about what they're risking to actually gain. Like Be Wealthy just said in the chat, don't put your rent on the line. Don't put money in the market, let alone in your broker that you know you can't afford to lose. Right? I'm gonna put this out right here. Let me see if I can maybe fix this a little bit. All right, cool. So the 3 keys to a successful trader, right? Let's break it down. Number 1, what type of trader are you? You need to find your style. Whether you're a super day trader or swing trader, right? Find out what type of style of trading you want. Number 2, what time session, right? What time and what session are you trading in the market? New York session in the morning, London session at night. A lot of people be like, well, I can't trade. I don't have enough time. Yes, you do. I don't even trade for more than an hour. Let's be real. Yeah. And a lot of people be thinking you got to look at the charts all day and all night. Do you know how easy it is to just place a trade and go mind my business right after? Now, don't get me wrong. I know you're brand new. You're looking at the charts. You're on the 1 minute. You're looking at it go up and down. I was there too. That's why I'm asking you about your patience level. How patient are you? I'm so patient. Gustavo is so patient. Mr. Wealthy Pips here. I'm so patient that I'll literally would put my trades in, boom, 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 and then close the laptop and go about my day. I'm the type of person, I put my trades in and I go build a business. You feel what I'm saying? I don't want you to stress out when it comes to trading, but you need to understand the time you're trading because you want to be very disciplined, whether it's at morning or even at nighttime, right? And then number 3, risk management. Risk what you have, not what you don't have. If you got $100 in your account, okay, what are you risking to build that 100 to 200? Oh, I want to flip my 100 to 200, 300, Gustavo. Okay. I understand. I respect it. I want to do it with you too. But what are you risking? Everybody knows how much they're going to gain, but nobody knows how much they're going to lose. No, you cannot trade Forex with the same broker that you have for HFX. FOREX has his own broker, right? So drop a 7 in the chat if you got these 3 keys right now. Let me see real quick. I'm gonna drop this in the chat here just to make sure everybody gets it. All right. There's 100+ people on this call. There's only 11 7s in the chat. Come on now. I want to know if you got this. Some of y'all probably just waiting for a trade. I already know. But I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna let Be Wealthy do her thing on sending out the trade. You're gonna have to catch me for London session tonight. Because see, this is the thing when it comes to FOREX trading. I'm just not here just clicking buttons and waiting for a few minutes. It's not HFX. This is a whole different ball game, ladies and gentlemen. Right? It's a whole different ball game. This is long-term trading, not short-term trading. Right? Now, everybody, stop with the 7s in the chat. Stop with the 7s. All right, and I'm gonna drop the note in there so everybody can get it. All right, 3 keys to a successful trader. Right, I dropped it in the chat. Now, once you figure out the type of trader you are, whether you're a scalper, a day trader, swing trader, and you know what section you're trading, people ask me all the time, Gustavo, what pairs actually move for? Let me delete this. What pairs, like what currency pairs are actually moving at these certain times of whatever market we're trading? Well, the New York session, believe it or not, the US dollar tends to move a lot. So if you trade anything that has to do with the US dollar for quote unquote, this right here is GBP USD. GBP USD will most likely not only move for New York session in the morning, but guess what? It's also likely to move during London session at night. Why? Because GBP, right, is the base currency. GBP USD, right, is what we're trading. But believe it or not, GBP USD moves in London session because what's on the other side of the world? Europe, right? Australia. What type of currency does Europe have? Great British Pound, right? I mean, London, like London, what type of currency does London have? Great British Pound, the euro, right? Other countries like Australia, they have what? The Australian dollar, right? Tokyo, they have what? Yen. So what would you trade during London session late at night? You would trade the euro, you would trade the Great British Pound. Those two pairs, whatever is paired up with those two currencies, the Great British Pound or the euro, are most likely to move during London session. Now, if it has USD, whether it's the base currency or the secondary currency, right? Whether it's USD CAD or Euro USD, if it has USD in it, it's most likely to also move in the morning. If it has USD, it's most likely to move in the morning because of what? If you know the answer, drop it in the chat. Why would the US dollar be more likely to move in the morning? Why, Gustavo? I want to know. New York session, the market opens. Yep. See, y'all catching up now. So if we're going to go trade London session, right? We're trade what? The Great British Pound, the euro, because it's more likely, right, to move. Think about it. When you wake up in the morning, think about it like this. Like I break it down like this. I'm really putting you on game today. You ever think about it like when you used to wake up, go to school, or you wake up and go to work? You're on your way to work, you're commuting, and you see people on their way to work. You see people going to Starbucks. Like, do you ever think like, man, the world wakes up every morning at 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, and it's so much movement. Think about how many people are buying coffee, you know, going to work or driving or eating breakfast. Like, it's a lot of movement going on. So what does that mean? The US dollar is what? It's circulating. So the US dollar is more likely to move, right? It's more likely to move in the morning for New York session. Yeah, I'm trying to give y'all some sauce right here. So you know what type of trader you are. You know what session you're trading. You know what currency pair to trade now. And last but not least, we talk about it. Risk management. What are you risking to gain? Look, check this out. I'm gonna show y'all a trade real quick. Show y'all risk to reward, right? I'm not gonna talk about the analysis, but I want you to pay close attention. Look, I had this markup here on USD/JPY, right? I said, right, and I'm gonna show y'all the before, so y'all know I'm not capping, all right? So y'all know I'm not capping. Let me pull this up real quick. Let's see. Can y'all see the Telegram on my page? Jaden, give me a thumbs up. You can't see it? All right, hold on. Let me see. I'm trying to share my whole screen. All right. Yeah, just should be able to see it now. Okay, cool. You see it now, right? Check this out. 114,659. So 114,600 was the ideal entry I had on USD/JPY, right? This was the before. This is me. I marked it up and I sent it out. This is like, I think a day or two ago I did. Yeah, I think yesterday I sent it out, right? Or the day before, whatever. This is the markup. I said, look, I'm going to risk about, what, 20 pips, 25 pips to gain a potential almost 100. So this is the before it actually went to that price level. That's the before, and this is the after. I said that the market, right, was going to do this, was going to come down here and react. And that's exactly what it did. Did it hit my stop loss? No, for y'all that are curious. It did not hit my stop loss. We're actually still in that trade right now. And if you're in that trade right now, drop a 7 in the chat. Now, look, I'm talking about risk to reward. Right? 600, 659. My entry was around the 600 level. So we're around that region. What the hell just happened? Hold on. Okay. Y'all saw that, right? That thing just went crazy. So check this out. My entry was around 114,600. Right? That was my entry. The stop loss here is about 15 pips. I remember I risked about 20, 25. So look, it never hit the stop loss. So for y'all, oh, the wick, it hit the stop loss. Look, it never hit the stop loss. This is how precise you can become when it comes to trading. Look at this. the market came to that same exact level, right, that I showed y'all before. It reacted, and look where the market is at now. From 114,600 to where price is at right now, we are currently up floating about 48 pips, ladies and gentlemen. How can you catch the moves like that? How can I really tap in and be precise and be accurate? Well, I want you to understand it takes time, takes patience, right? But I want you to understand this. Every type of style of trading you see, you hear, it works. Just because it works for me, it might not work for you, right? So the way I do, right, I buy off support and I sell off resistance. I buy lower and I sell higher. I look for big boy moves, not little boy moves. You see, I can scalp the market. Like look at it like this, right? I'm gonna show y'all this tool real quick. Like, look, you see these candlesticks right here? Imagine scalping the market right here, ooh, for 15, 20 pips, right? Okay, 20 pips, you'll be grateful. But what if you could catch it right here and go all the way up and watch it hit the previous resistance, and then boom, you up 60 pips rather than 20. But hold on, let's go back to the risk to reward. I'm gonna really blow y'all's mind away. I'm risking 20 pips to gain 60. And that's only 60 pips. That's a 1 to 3 risk to reward. Wait. B, my sis B got me in my bag today. I'm gonna really give y'all some sauce. Risk to reward. Let's talk about it. The proof is in the pudding. Women lie, men lie, but these numbers, they never lie. I trust these numbers more than anybody. Look at the fact that you're risking $100 to gain $100. That's not proper trading. If you're risking 2% of your account and you're catching 1 to 3, right? 1 to 3, we're risking 20 pips, so that's 20. And we just caught 60, that's 1 to 3. Depending on what you're risking, even at 1 to 4, you could be making money. But ask yourself, how much of your account are you actually risking? Imagine risking, imagine this. Imagine risking $200 to make 1,000. Would you do it? Imagine risking $100 to make 1,000. Would you do it? Hey man, look, women lie, men lie, but these numbers, they never lie to me. Your girl, your man, they gonna lie to you, but these numbers ain't gonna lie to me. No, sir, not me. I'm double platinum just like my Ferrari. So, guys, before we even talk about making profits and making the hundreds of thousands of dollars in the 6 figures, guys, we got to know what we're risking before we actually know what we're going to gain. You can catch moves like this all day, every day, believe it or not, right? You can catch moves like this all day, every day. I don't know who that is, if you can mute yourself. Right? You could catch moves like this every day, but it comes down to those 3 keys, ladies and gentlemen. Figuring out the type of trader you are, figuring out the type of style you're trading, figuring out the time sessions you're trading, and understanding your proper risk management, right? Now, for y'all that don't know, MT4, right? MetaTrader 4 is where you want to go. Honestly, since this call was packed out 100 deep, next week, if Miss B Wealthy, the queen herself, if she's down, we will do a little MT4 training. For y'all that don't know how to do, FRX trading through MT4, next week, me, myself, and Miss B Wealthy, the queen herself, will host another call just like this, and we'll show y'all how to use MT4 so you can start really getting to this thing, right? But look, MetaTrader 4 is the platform we use. Now, people ask me, can I trade on my computer? Well, believe it or not, you can actually download MetaTrader 4 on your laptop. Whether you have Mac or whether you have Windows, you can actually have the application downloaded on your phone. So if you guys don't have MetaTrader 4 yet, go to your Apple store right now, go to your Google Play Store right now and download MetaTrader 4. Guys, I'm gonna be honest, I've been using this application for the past 6 years. It's made me a living. Has made me a killing. I've gained a lot, but I've also lost a lot. You know what I'm saying? But I've learned way more than anything. And this application right here, MetaTrader 4, is just one of the many apps that we use to really take advantage of this whole market, right? So if you're not taking advantage of, let alone this whole platform, if you're not getting on Go Live, right? If you're not using SwipeCoin or the Scalper family, I'm telling y'all holding yourselves back, right? So let's prep up for next week. Let's get the MT4 downloaded, right? Next week, I'm gonna show y'all some more on MT4, get busy, you know, probably give you a trade live, who knows, right? But this is what I'm gonna do, right? This is what I'm gonna do real quick. I'm gonna drop, I'm gonna drop my link to my Telegram. This is my public Telegram to the world, to the masses. I share a lot of information on there for free. Literally everything I know I share on there. You guys feel free to join, right? Feel free to join. All right, free value all day. I'm giving it out on a daily. Literally, you guys don't even understand. We are in a very pivotal moment right now with this company. We're in a very pivotal moment now with these markets. Look at gold, almost at $2,000. Like, let's talk about it. This is history in the making. I remember when gold was at 1,100. Like, I remember, right? Right? So family, I appreciate y'all for having me, man. You know, shout out to everybody on this call. You know, I appreciate each and every single one of y'all taking the time out of y'all's day. Look, man, go out there and really just take advantage of this, man. Stop playing with this skill set. You know, like, guys, I'm a chairman 50, chairman, whatever. But look, I want you to understand this. I used the craft, the skill set, everything that I learned with trading, and I went out there and I inspired masses and hundreds of thousands of people with what I knew. That's how we went chairman, not just focusing on the skill set itself, but remember how I told you at the beginning of this call, learning the skill set, implementing, and going out there, teaching people exactly what it is that I know, right? So guys, if you don't have that MT4 downloaded, go download it right now. Next week, we going up. And, you know, I'm just blessed and grateful to be here. I appreciate the whole wealthy, everything familiar. Shout out to the whole Impact Nation family as well. I hope you guys understand you guys are a part of something very, very unique. This is not happening. I just want you to understand that. This is not happening, right? I'm blessed and grateful. I get to chill at my crib, 15 floors up in Arizona downtown, and I don't have to worry about nothing. All I got to worry about is feeding y'all, giving y'all the gems, giving y'all the sauce, because I know for a fact there's plenty of people on this call that really need this, and they need it more than me. So family, I appreciate y'all for having me, man. It's your boy, Mr. Wealthy Pips. Once again, as you know, I say it all the time. I'm going to see y'all at the top or for the top, man, because the bottom is too crowded. Take it away, B. Let's get it.
Sheesh, family. Listen, Mr. Gustavo Alanis just dropped some gem. Family, drop a wealthy everything in the chat. Drop a wealthy everything in the chat, right? Drop a wealthy everything in the chat, family, right? We appreciate you, Coach. Thank you for doing this for us, guys. I know a lot of people have been messaging me. How do I upgrade? How do I upgrade? Right? So if you're just HFX student, I advise you after this call to go ahead and upgrade to traditional Forex through the elite package, right? And I will help you get through that. Right, let's go ahead and drop a wealthy everything in the chat. Let's keep dropping a wealthy everything in the chat. Right, family? We about to catch us a bag. We about to catch us an HFX bag. Get your broker's accounts pulled up. Guys, I'm excited. I appreciate Coach for doing this. Family, he dropped his Telegram. I don't know if he's still up here, Coach. If you could, family, we can pause the chat. I know I got a lot of messages. What is his Telegram? He literally dropped the Telegram in the chat. If we can get that drop just one more time. Right? We can get a Telegram drop just one more time. I know a lot of people privately message me. What is the Telegram? Give me 1 second, guys. I'm going to go up. I think he dropped it earlier. Give me 1 second. I'm going to go up and get that. I've seen a lot of people asking. I see people still coming in the waiting room, which is good. But hold on. He dropped the Telegram, guys. There we go. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. So family, if you want to trade traditional Forex, I advise you to be on that call tonight, right? He will be doing a live Forex session tonight, right? So if you are a part of the Wealthy Everything Impact Nation, Big Faith, 3K to play, whatever TTP, whatever the case may be, make sure you are on the call tonight. He will be live trading Forex. Right, a lot of people said I'm gonna be on there. Right, a lot of people said I'm gonna be on there. I see I got people still coming in the waiting room. Right, we appreciate you, Coach. Thank you for what you did today, guys. Make sure you go shout him out on Instagram, family. If you haven't already done so, make sure you go shout our coach Gustavo Alanis out on Instagram. If you haven't already done so, family. Right, make sure you tag him in your post. Go to his recent. Matter of fact, everyone do this. Go to his most recent post. Right? I need everyone to do this. Let's go ahead and drop his Instagram in the chat. I need everyone to go to his most recent post. If we can trade, let's go ahead and drop his Instagram. Because somebody dropped Gustavo's Instagram in the chat. All right. I need everyone, all 86 individuals. All right, let's drop his Instagram in the chat. I need everyone to go to his there we go. I'm Wealthy Pips. I need everyone to stop what they're doing. Go to Instagram right now. Go underneath his most recent post and say, I appreciate you, coach. I appreciate you, coach. I need everyone to stop what they're doing. We're about to call out some trades. Stop what you're doing. Go to his most recent post at I'm Wealthy Pips, right? And I need you to drop, I appreciate you, coach. I appreciate you, coach, right? So everyone stop what they're doing. Go do that. Wow, we appreciate you, coach, for dropping these gems. You literally just gave us the sauce. Like he said, guys, we back next week, right? You guys showed up and showed out. So he's back next week. And next week, family, right, we're going to get some trades. So I'm definitely excited about that, right? So we appreciate you, coach. Thank you for what you're doing. We about to catch this bag, family. We about to catch this bag. So I need everyone to go ahead and get logged into your HFX brokers. Now, we're calling out only, 2 trades. We're not going to do too much. I know I got some snipers on the call. I'm getting logged in right now. While I'm getting logged in, I see my sniper, Fisher Bands, on the call. What's going on, Fish? Talk to the family. Let's get in and out today, Fish. If we can't unmute Fish, there we go.
What it do? What's going down, family? How's everybody doing, man? Sheesh. My guy, Gustavo, just came on here and gave y'all some sauce. My guy consistently does not play about his bag. You feel me? If y'all don't know, these chairmen really catch their bag in these markets. You feel me? Like, they really trade out here. You feel me? Like, why are y'all not trading? They making consistent so much other bags, yet they're still trading, catching a bag on these markets. Why are y'all not trading? Do you know how many streams of income these folks have right here? How many streams of income they're putting in front of y'all faces right here? How many streams of income is this platform alone giving you guys? You must come in and take advantage. Go all in. Stop sleeping on it. Go all in. Like, really take advantage. Put it to use. Put in the action. Like, look, action's always going to be louder than words. Actions are always going to be louder than words. You can say you do this. You can say you do that. But if you're not putting in the action, I don't see it. I'm not going to believe it. I got to see you put it in that work for me to believe what's coming out your mouth. You could say something, but if you're not doing it, that don't mean nothing. You feel me? But if you're out of your feelings at all times with me, go ahead and drop takeover in the chat. Let's go ahead and take over these markets. Stay out your feelings and stay in your bag. You heard?
Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. My guy Fisher said, let's take over. Drop takeover in the chat. That's what we about to do, family. We about to take over. You see these calls are literally 100 plus with just HFX. So what you think is about to happen, guys, when we add this Forex sauce, right? When we add this MT4 sauce, when we catching 2 streams of income on one call, what you think is about to happen, family? Right? Like Fisher said, we about to take over, right? We appreciate you, Fish. I see my guy Swank Bands on the call. What's going on, Swank? Talk to the family. If we can, let's unmute Swank. If we can, I think Jaden's the host. There we go. Swank, go ahead, bro. You should be good. If we can, let's unmute Swank. Swank here with us. All right, Swank probably a little busy. All right, we got our other sniper on the call, family. You saw his first live trading call night before last. Saw him kill the markets. My guy, who also opened up the call today, my guy, Mr. Trey Perry. What's up, bro?
Yo, what's going on, family, man? Appreciate you, B. Thank you guys so much for being on my call the other day. I greatly appreciate y'all, man. I'm glad y'all caught a bag, man. We finna get to it, man. We finna catch another bag today. Also got some more sessions later tonight, so definitely stay tuned. We got a lot in store for you guys. This is only the beginning. 2022, we cooking up crazy. I hope you guys are ready. I hope you guys are sticking with your compound plans and ready to catch a bag on these markets, B. Let's get it.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. We're about to take it back. I'm about to pass it back to you, Jade. I just had to share my screen. But family, let's get it. Let's catch a bag. We're calling out 2 trades and we're out of here. Right? I know we kind of went over a little bit, guys, but the next 15 minutes, we're going to be out. We're not going to rush these markets. But the next 15 minutes, we're going to be out of here. All right? So, guys, who knows the first thing we do? What is the first thing we do before we take a trade, family? What do? Check the news. Right? We check the news. We need to know what's going on in the world, right? So family, we're looking at Tuesday. Now, JPY, we not touching it, all right? Whether it begins with JPY or end with JPY, we are not touching it, okay? Fundamentals. Yeah, checking the news. We got to check the news, okay? Now, we got some NZD news later on, so definitely kind of want to stay away from NZD. So snipers, what I'm going to say is we're going to stay away from JPY and NZD. Let's just stay away. If the pair begins with NZD, let's stay away. If the pair has JPY in it, let's stay away. All right. So let's get it, family. Go ahead and share my other screen. Now, if you're new, I know I got some new students. Shout out to the new students that just joined yesterday, day before yesterday. I see you guys on the call. Shout out to you, but I need everyone to pay attention, right? Because this is how this is going to work. We're going to call out a pair, right? So we may say EURCAD. Everyone pay attention now. EURCAD, right? What do, family? You click on it, right? It's not rocket science. You just click on it, right? Now, we're going to call out the last 3 numbers, right? Now, I may say 570 and below bull. 570 and below bull. What does that mean? 570, 569, 568, 567 on down. I'm pressing the green button, family. Right? It's not rocket science. I'm just pressing the green. Now, we may say, for an example, 575, right? 570. Let's do 570 and above. 570 and above, bear. What does that mean, family? That means 570, 571, 572. I'm pressing the red button. All right. Let's go ahead and get everyone unmuted, guys. You know the drill. We do this each and every day. Let's go ahead and get everyone unmuted. Everyone unmuted. Let's sing this in unison. Keep in mind, this will be uploaded on YouTube, right, family? So let's act right. So, guys, as we say, when I say bull, you press green. Bull.
Green.
Bull.
Green.
When I say bear, you press red. Bear.
Red.
Bear.
Red.
We go. We good to go. We good. We good. Okay. So family, everyone please mute back. Everyone mute back. Let's go ahead and catch a bag. Fish. Let's just call out 2 trades, man. Let's not do too much. Call out 2 trades and let's end it. Let me go ahead and pass it back to my guy, Jaden. All right. Jaden, can we mute everyone? Go ahead and mute everyone. All right, there we go. So we should be good, Jaden. All the snipers, please unmute. All the snipers, please unmute. We appreciate you, Jaden. All right, guys, let's go ahead and catch this bag. Now, we're going to start at the top. Keep in mind, we're staying away from the JPY today, as well as the NZD. If it begins with NZD, we're not touching. All right, so let's catch this bag, snipers. Let's have a great session. Let's get this money. All right, so I'm going to go down the pair, go down the alert panel. AUD, JPY, guys, you know we want to call for that, okay? So we wanted that thing to go right here, all right? And it hasn't came there in a few camps. So let's just move on. AUD, NZD family, it's too close in currency. Let's move on. AUD, USD. All right, we want a nice call for that, guys. Look, it's already going up. It's getting ready to go down for a put. All right, let's move on. Let's just wait. We got some new candles just formed. Let's just wait. All right, CAD and snipers. If you see something, let me know. CAD, CHF, guys. Again, we want to call for that, right? What's going on here? We got a red candles getting ready to shoot down. All right, let's move on. CHF, JPY, guys. Look at this currency. Are we touching that currency? Who knows? In the chat. Look at the currency. CHF, JPY. Will we take that trade 20 versus 23? No, the currencies are too close, right? So let's move on, right? Let's move on, family. Good job, guys. Now, I'm looking at this Euro odd. Now, of course, we want to put
HFX on the pullback.
Okay, we got an HFX. My guy Fisher Bands is saying, hey, go to AUDCHF. All right. Fisher's definitely looking at the 1 minute. Let me go to the one. Right. So you wanted to touch that resistance, Fish, where it spiked down at the 538 hourglass number.
Where it just spiked down to that resistance, that 540, and acted as a support and took off from it.
So family, if you can, what we're looking at right now, everyone please mute, please. All right. So what we're looking at right now, let me make sure, Fish, because my hourglass is showing CAD, CHF. So before we call it, let me just refresh. So my guy Fisher Bands is looking at AUD, CHF, and we just missed. Fish has already gone up. Let me go to the 5. Let me go to the 1 minute.
It's gone. I don't know if
it's gone. Yeah. That. Okay. If you caught that with my guy Fisher Bands, let me know if you caught that. AUD, CHF, let us know. Definitely missed that myself, and it's okay. It's okay if you missed it. We're gonna call out 2 trades, 2 officials. All right. So let me go. I'm gonna start at the bottom. Let me see what's going on down here. Again, we're staying away from JPY. Now, this USD CHD, I mean, we missed that, but that was a nice upward trend. Man, we missed that one. Okay, that was pretty good. USD CAD is, you see something? Okay. USD.
Euro JPY. I was looking at Euro JPY.
That JPY, that's
no,
yeah.
Never mind.
That NZD though, go to that NZD USD. Don't you want that to drop a little bit more? How you feel about that NZD USD?
I thought we're staying away from NZD.
You right? Yep, you right. Say no more. Okay.
I was like, you just took me away from JPY.
Pretty spicy. Pretty spicy.
Took me away from JPY.
No, you're right. No, you're right. Discipline. You're right, Fish. All right, good job, guys. Everyone be patient. We're using discipline today. Everyone be patient. All right. We're not going to force anything. Go to that GBP CAD. We might have missed it. GBP CAD. Jeez, might have missed it. It's going back down on the 1. I'm going to go ahead and get set up on my broker. Family, if you can, get set up on your broker. GBP CAD. GBP CAD.
Look at Euro Chef. It's making a pullback
you're looking at Euro Chef. Okay, there we go. Give me 1 second. Let's go back to the hourglass. All right, Fish looking at Euro Chef. That's Euro EURCHF. That's EURCHF. It is going back down, Fish. Yeah, definitely going back down. That Euro, but let me see, what was that?
Like 63 on my hot there.
Yeah, I think we missed that. Your GBPK. You think we missed that one, huh? Yeah, missed that one.
Oh, my laptop died when I'm in a trade. Oh my god.
Yeah, we staying away from GBP. Man, that Euro GBP is looking really nice. But we got to be disciplined, family. We staying away. So just be disciplined with us.
Pull up that Euro Chef. What is it doing?
Euro Chef is getting ready to go down. It's going down right now. We got a red candle. We got a red arrow down. Family, I need everyone to get set up now. We're looking at EURCHF. EURCHF. We only calling out 2 trades. Okay. EURCHF. Let me see. EURCHF. Why is it not going? There we go. Okay. So on our broker right now, we have a price of a 64.60. It's like a 10 pip difference, man. So 10 pip.
Yeah, 53. Yeah.
What's your number on that? 53?
Yeah, that was it.
53. Family, we getting in EURCHF, EURCHF. All right, 53 and below, 53 and below. That's a 1 minute trade. 53 and below, green button. All right, might have missed it. It's okay. Price is at the 59, 53 and below, family. Just be patient. Just wait. Wait for it to come back down. We're getting a red candle. Just wait. 53 and below, 53 and below, green button. Go to the broker. Price is at 58. Just wait. Family, be patient. 53 and below. Price is at 58. We needed to drop just 5 more pips. We almost there. All right. 53 and below. 53 and below. Green button. It hit the 53 literally, I want to say, what, a minute, 2 minutes ago? Yeah. It was quick, but if you got in at the 54. Yeah, we might have missed it. It's okay.
Yeah.
Jeez, it's gone. It's gone. Guys, if you took that, let me know. If anybody, took a risky entry, it's okay. Let us know. I didn't take it. But if you took like a 58, 55, can you drop it in the chat? Let us know. Who took that? 57.
57.
Okay. Jaden got a 58. Okay. Anybody else? I see Jaden and Fisher got in on that. It took a 58, 57, price is 64. You guys are in crazy profits. Anybody take that trade? Anybody else? Nice bonus for you guys. Let's go back to the 1 minute. You're still getting that push up, which is good. All right. Need that RSI just to continue to shoot up for you guys. You guys are
we just cleared out. Our 1 minute bandit should be out of there. 1
minute, you just clear. Per Fisher, you just clear. So Fish, we got some new people on the call. Let them know when they see 2-0, 1-0, 3-0. What does that mean? Or what does clear means, Fish?
Clear is basically means we literally just want to trade. So when we say we just want to trade, we literally just profited either dollars or hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars or even salaries, no matter what, depending on what you're doing and what you're trading. You could be coming up on so much money that could be taking care of your whole family. Like, what are you not doing plugging in?
But Fish, that's within 1 minute, right? 1 to 3 minutes.
That's within 1 minute, like folks, making money
Yeah.
within 1 to 2 minutes. Make your hourly rate in 1 minute. Where can you do that?
Yeah. And now he right, fam. I'm telling you. So if you caught that Euro CHF, I know it's a little fast, but if you caught that, you probably made a couple hundred. All right, that's a couple hundred in 3 minutes. Yeah. Good job, family. It's okay if you missed it. It's okay. I'm gonna refresh. We're gonna call out another pair. Like I said, we're gonna call out 2 and we out. So we got 2 more to go. Don't worry. All right, don't worry if you missed it. Again, we stand away from that JPY to close. Jeez, go over to that CAD CHF, man. Go to that CAD CHF. I just don't like the fact that we just got a blue candle. Let me go over to the broker. Family, everyone gets set up. CAD CHF. CAD CHF. Price right now is 246 on the broker. It's like a 13 pip difference, right? So you know my number, man, 30 and below. How you feel about that? 30 and below. Fish, how you feel? 30 and below.
That's solid. I'll tag in.
Solid, yeah. Family, you can do a 1 minute or a 3 minute, 30 and below, green button. CAD CHF. Price is 39. We want 30 and below, green button. CAD CHF.
I'm guilty at 38.
You took the 38. Okay. I didn't snag it yet. It's because it's still dropping, still dropping.
No, I see a floor at 36. I'm gonna enter at 36.
36. Okay. Fisher BANDZZZ is going to enter at 36.
At 36 right there.
No more than 2 entries, family. Right? No more than 2 entries. 230 and below. 230 and below. Green button. There we go. All right, you enter the 33. If you enter the 33, let me know. I'm in there with you on the 33. All right, we called 230 and below.
Yeah.
All right, the closest it came was 33 now. The more than 2 entries. The
Oh,
more than 2 entries. We're in
yeah.
profit. We're in
Everybody's
profit, baby.
profits.
We're in profit, baby. You could take this for a 1 minute or a 3 minute, guys. It's good on either one. Go ahead, Fish.
Nah, everybody, we should clear out. My 1 minute bandits are out of there. Sheesh.
Let me see some clears in the chat. Right? You took a 33, 34. I mean, guys, you're in profit. Let me see some clears. If you took a 3 minute and you're still in profit, drop a $sign in the chat. If you're in profit, drop a $sign in the chat. I need to see what's going on. If you're in profit, if you still haven't cleared, but you're in profit, drop a $sign in the chat, baby. Yeah, we're in profit, baby. Good job. Good job. Good job, Lamia. Good job. 35. 2-0.
Our feelings.
You guys should be clearing out 2 minutes, should be clearing out very soon. 2 minutes should be clearing out very soon. If you took a 33, 34 in a 2 minute, you literally should be clearing out very soon. 3 minutes, we on our mark. Got about a minute left. 1 minute bandage, you're out of there. All right. If you took a 1 minute, you've already cleared, drop your records in the chat. If you've already cleared, drop your records in the chat. 2-1, 1-0, 3-0, 1-0. Drop your records. 2-0, 2-0, 2-0, 1-0. Drop your records. Jeez. Trey, go to the chat, man. What does that mean? We got some new students. They may see 3-0, 1-0. They may not know what that means. Trey, what does that mean?
Basically, y'all, that means that we won either 1 or 2 trades and lost nothing. We catching bags.
That thing is pushing to the sky.
Going crazy. You know what I'm saying? Like that means like that we have not lost a trade yet.
And we will not, because my broker is closed.
No cap.
Amen. It's 4-0. Family, before we call out this last trade, what I want you guys to do, 3 minutes, good job, good job, good job. Nice 2-0. So family, if you took a 3 minute, nice 2-0, 1 minute, I know you guys clear, drop your records in the chat. What I want everyone to do, good job, amen. What I want everyone to do is go back to their telegrams or their Discord and drop your records. We're going to call out one more. Before we do that, I got to see notifications booming now, right? I need to see notifications booming. I'm going to go ahead and drop my record, right? Let's get some records dropped in the chat, family. Let's get some records dropped in the chat. Let's get some records dropped in the chat, right? Let's get some records dropped in the chat. There we go. Let's flood the chat. TTP, where you at, family? You want to call TTP? I don't see nothing going on in TTP. I see Impact Nation booming, right? I see Wealthy Everything going crazy, right? I see the I Am Women's going crazy. Okay, where you at, TTP? I don't see nobody from Trust the Process, right? You guys not in the building. Trust the Process, right? Traders Lounge, where you at? Right? Traders Lounge, where you at? There you go. I see somebody in the TTP. There we go. I'm not by myself. There we go. Jeez, you're already 4-0, sis. Good gracious. Jeez, my girl going crazy. So family, if you're already 4-0, meaning you took 4 trades, you won all 4, just relax. We're gonna call out one more trade. If you're already 3, put it this way. If you've already met your 7% goal, I just need you to watch. All right. I need to say that again. Don't get mad if you take a trade and you lose. If you've already made your 7% goal, meaning you've increased your account by 7%, I do not need you to take another trade. I just need you to watch. All right. So if you have not yet met your 7%, you may be at 4%, 3%, 5%. Well, you should be at 3%, but you may be at 4%, 5%. This last trade is for you. All right. So stick around. Fam, make sure you shout us out on Instagram, Facebook. We appreciate you guys, right? We do this each and every day for you, family, right? So let's go ahead and refresh. Fish, I say we call out one more, man, and we out of here. Just call out one more. We're out. We've been up here for about an hour and 20 minutes already. So let's call out one more, family, and we out of here. All right, so everyone be patient. Last trade. That AUDCHF, I believe we missed it. that was a pretty good one, even though that's the first one I seen. But that was a pretty good one. That AUD I'm going to go over to it on our broker. All right. So race options is giving us a 562. What's that? 32, 42. What's that? 25 pip? Good gracious, 25 pip. Different. Let's go over to the 5 minute. So if I add 25 pips to that, that's going to be 0111. That's going to be what, 15? AUD 15. Yeah, so it's already making its way up. Fam, let's just move on. Let's see what else we got. Again, staying away from GBP, AUD, NZD is just too close. One more trade, guys. We're going to take our time with this. We're not going to rush. But if you've already made your percent, I mean, you can stay on the call, or you can just, just listen. All right. But if you haven't made your percent, I need you to plug in with me. All right. So let's see here. Now, CHF, JPY, guys, we want a nice put for that. Meaning we wanted to touch that red line. All right. Got some ways to go. Let's move on. EUR, AUD, again, we wanted to touch the red line, if not the EMA. All right. So let's move on. EUR, CHF, again, we need that thing to touch the green line. We want to call. It's already made its move. All right. EUR, GBP is too close, family. Look here, it's too close. I'm talking to you guys so you can understand why I am bypassing some of these currencies. So that's why I'm letting you guys know what's going on. EUR, JPY, guys, we missed it. We should have got in right here. This was the candle. All right. Literally 20 minutes ago was the candle. Right. We would have been in crazy profits. Let's move on. Let me see. We got some. You right. No, JPY. There you go, buddy. Appreciate you. Now I need that. That helped me out a lot. What else we stay away from? NZD, right? Okay, NZD. All right, so that Euro USD, again, Euro USD, this was the candle, that green line right there, right? Let's just move on. Snipers, let me know if you see something, guys. I don't really see nothing setting up right now.
If we don't find something in the next 5 minutes, you should call it.
Facts, I agree. Go to GBP CHF, man. Go to GBP CHF. Jeez, go to GBP CHF. Everyone gets set up. This is going to be the last one. Fish, I know you like that. GBP CHF. All right. Price right now on our broker is 210. So that's like a 15 pip difference. How you feel, Fish, about literally it's still dropping? How you feel about the 195 and below? 195 and below, green button. How you feel? That's nice, man. Price is at 196. How you feel, Fish? 195 and below.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
All right, fam. If you caught it, if you caught the 93, it was a little too fast, but we're calling 195 and below. 195 and below. GBP, CHF, green button. 195 and below, family. All right, don't gamble.
191.
191, yep.
Beautiful.
If you took the 191, good job. Let me know your numbers. 195 and below. If you took the 193, you're at a break even. Let me see some numbers. Guys, drop your numbers in the chat. All right, drop your numbers in the chat, family. I need to see what's going on. If you are not in profit, you need to roll one. You took a 1 minute, you know the drill. You took a 1 minute, you're not in profit, roll one. You took a 1 minute, you're not in profit, roll one. You took a 3 minute, you know the drill. You got a minute and a half to decide to roll one. Right? Now, some people took the 85. Let me know if you took the 85. No more than 2 entries. All right? No more than 2. Took the 85 as well. No more than 2, family. You took the 85. Let me know. Drop it in the chat. Who took the 85 with me?
Yeah.
I know I ain't the only one that took the 85.
Come on now.
Come on, y'all. Nice blue candle. There we go. Nice cross up. Who took the 85? Nobody took the 85.
I'm in there with you.
There we go. My guy Fisher in there, man. Where y'all at, fam?
I'm in there with you, B.
Sheesh. There we go, family. That 85 was elite. You double up on that 85. How you did proper risk?
Triple click.
Yeah, I doubled up on that 85 myself. Doubled up.
Yo, my broker just logged me out.
You good? We still in profit on the 85. You good? Price at 93. Price at 91. Family, if you took a 94, 93, and you see yourself going in and out of profit, you can roll over. Meaning you can hit that rollover button. Don't wait for us to tell you. Right? If you took a 94, 95, 93, you can roll over. An 85, we are good on the double clear on the 85. I'm not gonna roll the 85. We're definitely good on that. That was a nice elite entry if you took the 85. All right. Let me know when you're out. I know some people took 1 minute 85. Let me know when you're clear. Let me check the chat. Clear. We already got people that's clearing it. Good gracious. So fam, if you took that 93, you should be in a roll. Don't wait for us to tell you now. If you took that 93, you should be in a roll. All right, you should be in a row. 85, you getting ready to clear out. 85, we getting ready to clear out, baby.
We out of there.
85, we getting ready to clear out. Let's keep the language in the chat, please, PG. Okay. Let me know when you clear, guys. Let me know when you clear. 85, you're out of there. 85, you're out of there. Guys, if you took that 85, let me know. Let me see the chats. You took a 93. If you took a 93, I'm at an 88 clear. 1 minute. Good job, Queen. Clear.
It's me.
You took a 93. You might have rolled fish. I rolled a 93 fish. Did you roll your 93? Fish, you roll your 93?
Oh, you said what?
Did you roll over your 93? We still in on a 93. We just cleared the 85.
No, I did not enter no 93 entry. That is dangerous.
It's all good, baby. We in profit. Family, when you clear that 85, let me know. Let me see some records in the chat. I need to see some records, guys. Price is at 97.
I'm all cleared up.
Jeez. 8 and 1. Good gracious. Sis, what chat are you in? Khalili G? Sis, unmute yourself, Queen. I hope I didn't pronounce that incorrectly. Queen, unmute yourself. Kaylee G?
Yeah,
hey, what's up, Queen? What chat are you in?
TTP.
Jeez, drop them records, Queen. 8 and 1?
Got you, yeah.
Girl. Stop. Don't take no more trades. You are good. Don't take no more trades. Don't take no more trades, family. Right? Drop your records. Family, we just double cleared the 85. We still in on the 93. We still in on the 93. Drop some records, family. You see some records. Right? We got a 2-0. 8 and 1, 4 and 0, 12 and 0. Guys, drop your records. Right? If you went in on that 93, we're in a rollover on the 93. 5 and 1. Good gracious, Jaden. Jaden, close the laptop. Close the laptop. What? Okay, 3 and 1. There we go. I'm understanding it now. 3 and 1. So if you took the 93, we are in a rollover on the 93. Family, drop your records. Drop your records. Kayla, 4 and 2. Good job, Queen. Drop your records. Drop your records. 5 and 0, 1 and 0. Drop your records. I need to see how everyone's doing. Right? You took that. Wow, Lamia. Sheesh. Lamia, we got to hit P150 this week, sis. You just went 6 and 0. I know you know 3 people that can do this, sis. Lamia, we got to hit P150 this week, sis. We got to. 5 and 0. Family, go back to your chats. We still in on this 93. Fish, how you feel about this 93 on a second roll? I'm looking at the 1 minute. We still getting a red candle. How you feel about that, Fish? On that 93.
3 minutes is too long. Go ahead.
Would you roll one more time? I let it ride. If I let it ride, I'd be 4 and 1. If I roll one more time, it might be 5 and 0. Would you let it ride one more time, or would you roll?
How many times did you roll over? If you
didn't roll, just one.
Yeah, you could go ahead and roll over one more time, then 2 rollover max.
Just 2. I just do 2 rollover.
2 rollover max. If you're still in your risk management, if you're doing 1% risk, you could roll over 3 times. You're doing 2%, you could roll over twice.
All right. So we're a little bit out of profit.
Got that blue candle coming out right now.
It is pushing back up. It is pushing back up, Fish. We got a blue candle. Family, drop some records in the chat. Let me see what's going on. We got a 6 and 0, 5 and 0. Wow. Family, what I need you guys to do, Angel, go back to your Telegram or Discord, drop your records. Michael, go to your Telegram or Discord, drop your records. Lamia, go to the Impact Nation, sis, drop them records. Angel, drop your records in the Telegram or Discord, right? Kayla, drop your records in the Telegram or Discord. Mrs. King, drop your records, please. Jaden, drop your records. Fisher, drop your records. Alana, drop your records, family, right? Drop your records. Trey, drop your records. Callie G, drop your records, right? You guys are going crazy right now. Let's get some more records in the chat, family. So for this 93, if I don't clear out the 93, it is all good because I will be 4-1, right? Took a double entry on the 85, took a double entry on the first trade. So we're already 4-0. That 93, I think is gone, Fish. Go to it. Look, price just dropped to the 64. I might take an L on that 93. You wouldn't roll that over anymore, right? Just let it ride.
Not two rollover max.
But see, I see it
Depending on what
shooting
you're
up, Fish.
risking,
Look
you
here.
know.
I see it shooting up, man. We got
Like
a
I'm
blue
saying, if
candle.
you're still in your risk management, if you know what you're risking, you're able to be in that 3% or 5% and still roll over one more time, then yeah. But if you're already over leveraged, you don't want to keep blowing your account rolling over.
Right. See what I'm looking at right now, Fish. I needed to touch this green line right here. That's what I needed to touch, that support. You see that 186. So I literally needed to go up at least 20 pips. That's what I'm looking for.
Well, we have a new 5-minute candle out right now, so some moves that better happen.
Let me go back. All right, we at 77. Family, you know, if you took a 93 or 3-minute, you may still be in this with me. Hey, we take this loss on that one, it is fine, right? Because we went crazy this session. Don't chase this trade. Me personally, I am not going to roll over anymore. So I'm letting this roll over, which is going to be a 6-minute trade. We about to be out in about a minute, 20 seconds. I'm just letting this ride, guys. So if we clear the 93, we clear. We don't, we do not. If you want to roll over, you can roll over. I'm not telling you not to. So if you took a 3-minute, you want to roll, you can roll. Me personally, I just see a downward trend here. I don't want to risk. I see, red and blue candles. It's not consistent with the blue candle, right? We see a downward trend, then we see a blue, then we see another downward trend. So me personally, I'm going to let the 93 go. Let me see where we at right now. Price is at 71. Yeah. So I'm going to let that 93 go. Might take a loss on that, family. So that means my records will be, I'm going to just count it as a loss. My records will be 4-1. Guys, drop your records in the chat, right? Let me see how everyone's doing. Drop your records in the chat. Family, go ahead and shout us out on Instagram, right? Facebook, whatever social media platform you are on. Definitely go ahead and shout us out, family. Understand we do this each and every day for you guys, right? We don't get paid for this. We got people in the waiting room. She's Jay, and I didn't even know that. We have people in the waiting room. So, family, we do this each and every day for you guys. All I ask, if you're a part of Impact Nation, all I ask, family, go pay it forward. Go show someone what you did today. Go show someone how you made literally money in minutes. Go impact somebody's life with this financial skill set. That's all I ask. You're part of Impact Nation. I don't ask for much. I don't ask for trainings. I host it all for you guys, right? But what I do want is for you guys to at least spread the word. So again, I appreciate you, Fish. Shout out to Gustavo Alanis. Make sure you go show him love on Instagram. Chairman 100 Loading. We back tomorrow, family. Same time. Let's get it, baby. Sure.
Whoa. Whoa.
Lately it's nothing they can tell me. Sheesh. I knew we could be wealthy. Look how I put it together, love the way I pair it. Enter a trade, me and my whole team clear it. Got me like, yeesh. Big bags we clearing now. Me and the squad sharing is caring now. I'm about to retire my parents now. See the vision is transparent now. Always lessons, we never taking losses. Shout out the squad, they full of lady bosses. It's all love, no need to explain. Funny got in the FOREX and watch my exchange. Sheesh, now what we talking about? Hop on the car with Be Wealthy and watch her call it out. Yeah, we be popping ranks and pull out large amounts. You think you got the drip? I pull my faucet out. See what I'm talking about? That's for me to know and for you to think. Zoom links turn into Cuban links. Wealth Club, I picked the right army. Watching these candlesticks, baby. Welcome to my spike party. Lately, it's nothing they can tell me. Sheesh. Who knew we could be wealthy? Look how I put it together, love the way I pair it. Take a trade, me and my whole team clear it. Got me like, yeesh. Knew we could be wealthy. Sheesh. I knew we could be wealthy. Look how I put it together, love the way I pair it. Enter a trade, me and my whole team clear it. Got me like, yeesh.
Got me like, yeesh. Got me like, yeesh. Oh, team up. Oh, team up. Like, yeesh. Oh, it could be well.